Hi, I'm Ian Simpson and this is my house at George Street, Millthorpe. I'm good at hard landscaping more than planting. I was influenced by the Japanese garden at Cowra. Some of the planting didn't survive the drought, so it's evolved into more drought-tolerant species. The Japanese garden's got a water feature, a gazebo, and a mixture of gravels and rocks and a variety of plants. The Japanese garden idea came to the fore in about 2015. Some of the plant species that I chose were from there. It's evolved and changed through the drought, and it's a bit of an eclectic mix. I was in the Garden Ramble in 2016. After that we had a major drought and I was not big on watering, so I had a lot of casualties in plants. Since we've had 3 years now of wet winters, the garden's evolved nicely. Having a building background, I was good at executing the hard landscaping. The planting is probably not my strength, but I've got a little bit better at that as the years have gone on. The Garden Ramble was cancelled last year because of COVID. I was on standby last year, so we put a bit of effort into getting the garden in shape, and it's looking good this year with all the rain.